Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, out in the garage. Gonna play with a battery pack, air compressor, charger type, jump pack thing. Come along, take a look. There it is. You know, it's a good piece of equipment, but been kicked around a bit. You know, Mickey Mouse back here and whatnot. But it really doesn't work right anymore, so we're gonna take it apart and see what's inside it. See what we can save. Who knows? Come along, have some fun. I'm just going to guess that that's looking good enough. I know I got a pry bar around here somewhere. Not the bar I was looking for, but it'll work. Well, we got a battery right there. Nice. That ought to give me $2 at the scrapyard. Really? Well, how did it go, Ian? Ian's got the copper. We need a magnet now, Ian. We need a magnet. What we got around here for a magnet? Oh, those might be copper or brass, eh? Probably copper. Oh yeah. Nice. Reusable clamps. Plenty of copper. Dang. There we go. Yeah, see, that ain't even copper. The bits ain't even copper, Ian. That a little piece, no, that's plastic. A little more copper right there. I ain't gonna fish out that little bit of copper, I'll tell you that. But let's see what's inside it. Oh. You know what? Pulling me in. That little copper rivet we're chasing? I don't know about that. That's going in my trash. Any copper in these switches? No, no copper in there. Oh well. Although, that's a pretty nice on-off switch. Might want to keep that. Hey, E-Waste Mike, what's that worth? I don't see any gold in that. Copper. We'll steal the copper off of it. Trash. Want a little LED light? That might be fun to play with somewhere. Little bits of copper. What do we do with this little pump? Got a nice little pressure gauge on it. Trash. Full trash. Need a handle? Trash. Well, copper wire. Could probably use that if I needed to. And a DC outlet somewhere. Think it'll work if we plug it in? Probably not. What? Oh yeah, perfectly good little pump. I don't know what I'll do with it, but that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Peace out.